Hi everybody, it's 2:51 and 31 seconds on June 18th. This is the main for the Spider-Man 101 low-grade raw copy and the 102 8.5 CGC copy. I had a mini for this. Chris Watunsky, you won the mini. I waited a while for you to get back to me to pick the spots yourself. I did not hear back from you, so I just assigned you the first 5 available spots in the mini. Those spots are 2, 10, 11, 19, and 21. Andrew Barrett, you came in second place. You automatically got spots 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. So away we go. These books will ship tomorrow to the winner, the 19th. Okay, number is 11. Best of luck. Name at the top of the list gets the books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't know why it's going so slow. And here's the final one. 11. Spot 4. Will Lehman. Congratulations. Time is 2:52 and 58 seconds.